Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your workflow with Trello, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Trello and log into your account. Create a new board by clicking on the Create New Board button. Name your board according to the project or workflow you want to secure. Select a background color or image that fits your project theme. Set the board visibility to private, workspace visible, or public based on your preference. Click on Create Board to finalize it. Add lists to your board by clicking on Add a List. Label your lists according to different stages of your workflow, like To Do, In Progress. Type in the task name and hit Enter. Click on the newly created card to add more details. Here, you can set due dates, add checklists, and attach files. Assign team members to the card by clicking on Members and selecting their names. Use labels to categorize tasks by priority or type of work. To ensure security, enable two-factor authentication in your Trello account settings. Review access permissions for team members regularly to maintain control. Utilize Trello's Power UPS for added functionality and integration with other tools. Lock down sensitive information by limiting access to certain cards. Periodically backup your board data by exporting it as a JSON file. Monitor your workflow through Trello's activity log to track changes and updates. Keep your board organized by archiving old cards and lists that are no longer needed. Engage with your team regularly to address any workflow issues and improve processes. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your workflow using Trello. Implementing these practices will enhance your project management experience. Stay responsive and adaptable as your project needs evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.